So we got this situation to handle. If f of x plus 2 times f of 1 minus x equals x square plus 2 for all x belongs to R, then f of x is equal to. So the point is we need to find out f of x. Now look at this question and just keep your eyes on it. Now try to observe that with the given question you guys are having problem with whom? Exactly. We guys are having problem with this person. If this person is not there now, we can directly answer who is f of x. So we have problem with 1 minus x. So what you should do? Just replace x with 1 minus x. Okay, just do the replacement. So we will get 1 minus x plus 2 times f of 1 minus 1 minus x is equal to 1 minus x whole square plus of 2. Okay, so look at this, what will happen. F of 1 minus x plus 2 times f of x is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab plus 2. Done. Now, so look at your blue line and look at your yellow line. Suppose that this is equation A and suppose that equation B. You guys are having problem with f of 1 minus x, and in both the equations you guys are having f of 1 minus x. So what you should do, just look at this. You have to subtract 2 times, okay, you have to subtract 2 times equation B and things are done. So we got f of x plus 2 times f of 1 minus x is equal to x square plus 2. Now 2 times. So we got 2 times f of 1 minus x plus 4 times f of x is equal to 2x square plus 2, wait, plus 2 minus 4x and then plus 4. We guys need to subtract, so the sign will change, minus minus plus minus. Now look at the result. So we got this thing gone. So we got f of x minus of 4 times f of x. So we got minus of 3 times f of x is equal to minus of x square, and this minus 2 vanishes. We guys are left with minus 9, it's plus 4x minus of 4. So can we say that f of x is x square minus 4x plus 4 by 3? Okay, so I hope you guys got the approach. Means the point is you have to find out the irritating thing and just replace x with that irritating thing, and then you will keep on getting the ideas how to handle this situation. I hope you guys are understanding the concepts, and I wish you guys are upgrading your preparation level. Okay.